Hi everyone, I'm Jiahao. After completing the UDEMY video on enterprise architecture and attending the class in software project management, I would like to give a summary of how they are related. Let me give a summarized definition given by Gartner's MIT, the Enterprise Architecture Book of Knowledge. Enterprise architecture is the conceptual blueprint within an organization where information is exchanged in the aspect of business, technology, and strategic viewpoint. The Project Management Book of Knowledge gives the definition of project management as the knowledge of techniques, tools, skills of project activities to be carried out to meet stakeholder needs and expectations. Let us see 5 points of how they are related. Firstly, business is continuously growing. Both aspects use ITs to add values to the business. And with both, it's a win-win situation where they can use the enterprise architecture blueprint to know the exact requirement of the project management. Secondly, enterprise architecture is a blueprint where it gives the organization overview of the organization. From the UDEMY video, a spaghetti architecture is one where organization may have hundreds, thousands of applications where they may be related or unrelated, and a change in one application may affect another. A structured and uniform enterprise architecture blueprint will show how a modification and updates in an organization will not affect another. Project scope is continuously being reviewed during project management. With enterprise architecture, this risk is greatly reduced. Thirdly, enterprise architecture gives a conceptual blueprint like, for example, building a house. Your customer may tell you a suggestion like, I do not really know what I want, but you can start laying the foundation. But without the measurable things like how many rooms you need, how many floors, tiles you need, enterprise architecture gives a measurable time to the customer of how much tiles is needed and how much budget is needed for the raw materials, the time, the quality, and the cost. Fourthly, enterprise architecture serves as a guideline when there's a change in project management where the project management has to make a decision during project management to know that whether a change in this aspect of the project will affect the organization in the long run. Lastly, in project management, the time, the quality, and the cost is the main aspect. So the project manager has to make a realistic schedule of the project from these aspects. So reviewing the enterprise architecture, the project manager will know whether there's a need to scope down the scope of the requirement so that they can meet the project successfully. And in conclusion, there's no success to a great project just by using a project management guidebook or enterprise architecture guidebook. The vigilant, the experienced user has to choose the correct guidelines, the correct case to meet different organization needs. Thank you for watching.